So hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video of Legit Finance. Today in this video, we are going to learn about how to use price action to trade on pullbacks. Means how to trade on pullbacks. Basically, we will start from what are pullbacks. Pullbacks are the correction that comes after a trend. Pullbacks are the sign of continuity of a trend. Means the trend can continue after a pullback. Okay, so pullback are there are two types of pullback. We call it a strong pullback, we call it a strong pullback, and then we call it a healthy pullback. First is a strong pullback, and second is a healthy pullback. Okay, second is a healthy pullback. In strong pullback, the market retraces after a trend, but not much than 30%, and then it goes up. This indicates us that the trend is strong, but it will not sustain for a longer period of time. While on the other side, healthy pullback is there when the market after a trend retraces 60 or 50%. That shows that market strength is medium, but it is sustainable for a long period of time. Okay, simply, so our main focus will be on how to trade the pullbacks. Let me show you the example of pullbacks. Okay, how to trade on, because we are going to learn about how to trade on pullbacks. Let's say we have a trend. What is the trend? A trend is something that have high lows and higher highs. This is called a uptrend. And the trend which has high lows and high lows and lows, we call it a downtrend. So this is uptrend. What we will do, we will mark the Fibonacci from the bottom of the trend to the top of the trend. Okay, bottom of the trend, we marked it from bottom to the top of the trend. Okay, so this gives us some levels. You go to settings of Fibonacci and just turn on this. Okay, so it takes us to the 30%. So what it tells us that the market has moved from the 30% levels. Is market What market has done, it has taken support from the 30% levels. It means the market is very strong, but it is not sustainable for a longer period of time. Means the trend, which is the uptrend, cannot sustain for a long period of time. Okay, so let us see, it sustain for a long period of time? No. हमें यहाँ पे देख, we are just, it is in front of our eyes that the trend reversed harshly. It reversed harshly, I will call it harshly. Okay, it reversed harshly. So we call it not a sustainable trend, but is a strong trend. Means in this trend, what we have to do is we have to identify small pullbacks, like 30% pullbacks, and then trade on them. But we should be strongly inside of the trend, because it is very strong. It will break all the resistances fastly. So how we trade on this? When we came to know that market is giving 30% pullbacks, means it is very strong. After this area, we came to know that market is strong. So if I will mark Fibonacci from, like, uh, yeah, we'll mark it from there to there. So what we are seeing, that 30, from the 30%, it takes support. Generally it takes support from the 30%. So when it came here around of the 30%, we should buy. We can buy, and the market trend goes up. Okay, and in and a healthy pullback. What is a healthy pullback? See, this is a trend. This is a trend. This is a high fall trend. So we have the Fibonacci market, and this took retracement from the 60 or 50% levels, which indicates that it is a strong trend and it can sustain for a long period of time. So what we can do is we can stay in the side of the trend, but wait for 50-60% pullbacks. Like this, we have the 50%, we have the 50% level here. So what we will do, we will just mark the 50% level from here to here. Simply we have marked this 50% level, and the second level is a 60% level. 60% level, this one. Okay, so these two levels are are resistance levels. Okay, so if we will go to shorter time frame for trade, let's say we go to 1 hour for trade. Let's say we have to take the trade, so we'll go to 1 hour. So if we will see in 1 hour, where was this level? This level was a far back. Okay, wait for a minute, it will take some time to load. The market took a pullback. The market took a pullback, and we have very good, very big candle for selling. But we should not sell on these types of candles. We should not sell on this type of candle. Why we should not? Because this is a huge candle, we will not get the place for stop losses. And when the market when the market next time it came to our level, it gave a very good candle. So in this we can trade by taking the entry here, keeping the stop here, and see, we got a very good. And if you will see, this trend has sustained for a long period of time. Okay, you can see, yeah, see, this trend has sustained for a long period of time. So this trend tells us that this is a healthy correction trend. Healthy correction trend means in this trend we will be getting opportunities mainly on the 50%, on the 60%, not on the 30%. But the market capacity will be very more to go down. Okay, simply. And if I will tell you, if you are intraday or swing trader, what you should do, you should go to 4 hour, identify what type of trend it is, what type of pullback are being coming in the trend. Like if it is a if it is a healthy pullback, then you trade on 50 or 60%. If it is a strong pullback, then trade on 30%. So this mainly tells us that how to trade and when to trade, on what two levels to trade on a pullback. Okay, so 90% of the problem just solves here, and the 10% of the problem is at the entry and the exit. So where we should entry and exit on this type of setups? If we are getting some candle confirmations or some selling pressure near around our levels, we should sell it by keeping the stop above the level. By keeping the stop above the level, just keep in mind the stop should be bigger, because we are going to capture a new trend. So stop should be bigger on this type of pullbacks, because these are types of pullbacks are generally takes time to move. Okay, so we have to keep in mind that we should trail stop but not fastly. Okay, because we have to capture the all trend. So this was all about the video. Hope you liked this video. Please leave a like, share, and do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.